Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm gonna be making, well, not making a wig. I'm gonna try to repair this piece of crap. It's a lace front that I got from Vixen Lace Wig, and as you can see, this wig is just pretty much gone. Like, it shed so bad. It shed when I first got it, and it's horrible. And I think the name of this one was Armani or something like this, the Brazilian wave. And anywho, what I'm gonna do is, I did a little elastic thing in it or whatever. So I'm gonna take this regular human hair from like the beauty supply store from like maybe 3 years ago. I have this hair, and I recently found it in my little wig stash, so I was like, hey, why not? And I also ran across somebody's video on YouTube where they done a bleach bath. So I was like, that's pretty interesting. Let me see what I can do. So I also have a video that should be posted by now, because this is a video I'm doing after I've done the bleach bath video. And yeah, I give this head like a bleach bath or whatever, and it's pretty much good to go. We'll see. So yeah, I'm just gonna add this in. It's a lot. I'm gonna add this in. This is probably like 200 grams of hair. I'm gonna add this to the back of this unit, and I also might just go in and like part the side area where the lace is and add it to the side, because I don't want the front to be like thin and the back to be full. But we're gonna see how this is gonna work out. So I'm gonna first, let me get a wig cap. Let me see which one. Okay, put this one on. Okay, I know pretty much do the video on my own. It's probably gonna keep going in front of the camera, but I mean, it's in the bathroom, and I guess it's just the place that is best for me to do this video. So just bear with me why I do this. Okay, where's the wig brush? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how, well, you can see from here, like how thin, look at the back, how thin this wig is. And it was a Brazilian curl, and after it shed so much and it was so tangled and matted, what I just decided to do was just go ahead on and put a relaxer in it. So yeah, some parts of this is, you can blame me for it. I went ahead on and put a relaxer in it or whatever, and I don't know, the part in this really bad for some reason, but I'll fix this later. Just want to see what I want to put my part in. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to separate the lace part of the hair from the back with the weft tracks in it. You know, the regular, you know what I'm saying. So let's see. This is horrible. Okay. Maybe I should go back a little, because like the top portion of this unit, let me take it off to see. The top part of this unit, it didn't shed that much as the back. So I'm gonna probably, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cover this, but I'm gonna leave maybe the top part from where the lace stopped and the weft tracks begin. I'm gonna part it down the line to pretty pretty much separate this off, and then I just go from there. Well, we're gonna, like, this is a little difficult. Let's see if I can do this. Let me put it back on my head and see if I can get this done that way, because it's not working out doing it in my hand. So let's see, from this, okay, this better. Okay, this to this part, and go down a little bit more to here. Okay, let's say this is the back, and that's the front. This is horrible. Okay. Partition this way. Okay, let's see. And not to mention, I tried to bleach bath this unit and unsuccessful. I don't know what was going on at the present time, but unsuccessful. So let me just spread this together. Keep this out of the way. Let's see. This look really silly. I might make this video into 2 parts, because I remember the last video I tried to upload, it was like 25 minutes long, and YouTube told me that it was too long, so it was rejected. After I sit there, well, not sit there, but had the laptop sitting there for like an hour and something, waiting for it to load, and it fully loaded, and then they told me that it was too low, and they rejected. I mean, like, I think they pretty much knew the size of it as it was uploading. You know, do you think they should have like told me from the beginning, hey, your file is too big, it won't upload, or something like that? But whatever, you know. I had my few run-ins with YouTube. Hey YouTube. I have my few run-ins with YouTube here and there, but you know, whatever. And I just got off from work, and you may see a little brown spot over here. This is because my tattoo on my neck, by the end of the day, I don't know, somehow the concealer that I use to cover my tattoo, it always just somehow managed to get on my t-shirt. It's on my work shirt a little bit, but it's more on the t-shirt than the work shirt, and I don't know how is that possible, because the work shirt have a collar and the t-shirt doesn't. So normally I would just cut all of this off and Yeah, normally I would just cut all this off, like all the way from the root of the hair, like with the wefts, and just use the stocking cap as a base to glue the hair on. Because I have used like old wigs, I cut all the hair off it to make a wig with it. But this time I'm gonna do a little something different. What I'm gonna do is actually use this hair, and I don't have a scrunchie, so I'm gonna have to use this hair band to tie it. It's pretty much the same thing, but well, I can't find my scrunchie. So I'm gonna just take this. Maybe I should get over this. I'm gonna take this, put this in the ponytail. Like this. And I'm gonna actually take and glue the hair on top of this hair on the wig. So I cut off this hair, and I'm just gonna glue on top. So now let me get prepared to do that. And I don't like to use a shower cap because it's loose and it slides, and then like when you take it off and it's like, I don't know, I just don't like to use a shower cap. So what I like to use is like a regular little grocery bag, because with this, it stays in place. Make sure all my hair is covered because I don't want this damn glue. So yeah, it's pretty much it's tight fitting. Then you can tie it. And then you can take and tie the bag. I don't know how tight you want it to go. So this is an old stocking, what I'm going to be using to use as a base, where to go under the weft in the hair. Even though I'm going to be gluing it on top of the hair, I'm going to use this to go under it to catch those extra pieces or whatever. So let's see.